find your gentle touch and graceful ways. I sense something untamed in your gaze. What ancient power lies beneath that fur?
Nah, not even worth trying.
More than just your purr. Is this all that you are?
Maybe I can do something. I can do this. I know it.
Do you want to see what happened to him? I know you want to.
I used to just lie around and eat cereal. But now I'm strong, energized, and happy. You can do it too. Start small, believe in yourself. Step by step, you'll grow. I'm with you.